Hi guys, this is Shubham. You're watching All About Technology. In this video, I am going to show you how to click a good photo from your old album in Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. To download the app, go to the photos and just click on that three bars and go to the scan photos. This will take you to the app store and then download this app. The app name is photoscan by Google Photos. You can also download it from the Play Store directly, or the link for that is in the description, so you can download it from there. The app size is 24 MB, so you can use it. And let's see the example of it. So this is my mobile, the Moto G4 Plus, and this is the photo, the back that I wanted to get in my phone. So first of all, open this app, give the permission that the app asking for. So after that, keep that photo in a good place. So here you can see this is the photo that I wanted to take. After you place the photo, just hold your phone like this, and there will be 4 dots comes in your phone. Here you can see. So take that to your phone and hold it for a second. Let the phone capture the image, and after that wait, let the process done. Here you can see. After the process successfully done, you can see your image. After that, we have to crop a little bit to make it perfect. Here you can see. Try to take that image with a white background, or you can say the clear background, to get it perfect. Don't use the flashlight. Here you can see. Just take the old images as possible as can, so you can see the difference. So guys, if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends.